Hey, good morning! It's our third day here in Taipei. As you can see, it's a gloomy day. According to AccuWeather, it's going to have some showers in the afternoon. It's going to be colder today than the previous days that we've been here. So according to my research, during bare months like September, October, November, and today is December, rains are expected. So you should always bring your umbrella whenever you're traveling here. So today I'm wearing hoodie and shorts. Ayan, kahit malamig na weather. Mataas tolerance ko sa sa cold temperature. Today is Monday and it's a busy day in Taipei. Unlike yesterday and the other day, which is Saturday and Sunday, na paglabas namin ng sobrang aga, halos wala kaming makitang tao and halos close pa yung mga stores. Pero today, halos busy ng mga tao and madami ng stores ang open. Wow. So massive. Laki niya. Likod. So what are we gonna do? Check the back or the front first?
This is not yet the Chiang Kai-shek.
Ito pala yung Chiang Kai-shek. So,
these are
yung
National Concert Hall and National Theater.
So mali tayo.
Mas malaki pa dyan si Chiang Kai-shek.
This is the National Theater. Wow, yun pala siya. Yun ba yung hall? This is the front. The gate.
This one.
This is the Liberty Square.
Yan.
Alin?
Tingnan mo muna.
That's the Liberty Square. Behind the Liberty
the main gate terrace.
Main gate. And that's the Democracy Square. This one. And that one is the... What's that?
National Concert Hall.
National Concert Hall and the National Theater. Sobrang laki niya. Kahit malayo pa lang, kitang-kita mo na kung gaano kaganda yung structure. From Chiang Kai-shek Hall, bumaba kami sa Xingshan Park. So dito yung Xingshan Trail going to the Elephant Mountain. And kailangan namin magmadali kasi kailangan namin makabalik sa accommodation namin ng 11 o'clock kasi that's a check-out time. Eh pag lumagpas kami baka mabad reviews kami. Kaya we have to hurry up. So beside me is the Xiangshan. Xiangshan pala yung pag-pronounce. Kanina sinabi ko Xingshan. So it's Xiangshan Park. So we're walking towards the Xiangshan Trail kung saan akit kami papuntang Elephant Mountain for us to have a better view of the Taipei 101. Upon walking towards the trail, ayan, nakita na namin si Taipei 101 ayan sa likod namin. Oh, starstruck kami. So eto na yung trail going to the Elephant Mountain. Actually wala pa kaming breakfast and we are in a hurry. Tapos akitin pa namin to. About 15 minutes daw to na paakyat. Pero kaya namin to. Kayang-kaya to. Nag-spin kaya ako. I do spinning, swimming, running. Ayun. We're on our halfway. It's a leg day workout. So here at almost halfway going to the Elephant Mountain view, you can already have an overlooking view of the Taipei 101. So ayan, may mga nagpapapicture na sa likod ko. Grabe, I think we're almost here na. Nagpawisan ako and malamig. Think na malamig yung temperature. So what more during summer? finally we're here. Hingal ako doon, grabe. I'm currently here on top of the stone. So ito yung view. Dito on top of the stone. Oh, Taipei 101. So yun yung Elephant Mountain. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit siya tinawag na Elephant Mountain. Pero it shapes like an elephant daw. It resembles like an elephant daw.
A few moments later.
Umabot naman kami. Pero 12 o'clock na kami naka-check out kasi inayos pa namin yung gamit namin. Pero mabait naman sila. Hopefully hindi kami bad review. So now we are on our way to Tai Fung, the first Tai Fung in the world, which is located in Taipei 101. We are currently here outside the Taipei 101 building. So we are having our lunch at Tai Fung, which is located inside this building. The Taipei 101 has been the tallest building since 2004 to 2010. But now, it only ranked 9 in the world's tallest. Naka-check out na kami, may madala kaming luggage. Medyo bulky and medyo mahirap maglakad ng madaming luggage. Buti na lang dito sa Taipei 101 station, meron silang luggage and yung luggage na can accommodate yung locker na can accommodate our luggage is around 20 NTD per hour. So siguro 3 hours kami mag-spend nung locker, so that's around 60. So good thing meron silang locker, at least comfortable kasi paglakad, wala masyadong dala-dala. English. Store. Put your luggage number 16. Over 8. Shoes and tempo. Insert code.
Please pay the storage fee.
So, paano malalaman kung password and password? Currently 1 p.m. and haba ng pila. We have to wait 40 minutes, but we will give it a try kasi this is the first Tai Fung eh. Dapat makakain kami dito eh.
Soy sauce to 3 pounds of rice vinegar. So here's 1 pound of soy sauce and 3 pounds of rice vinegar. And then you can enjoy the xiaolongbao with the sauce and the texture.
Alright.
Thank you.
So after 40 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes ata yun, nakaupo na din kami and we are still waiting for orders namin to be served. Crispy pork with finally the xiaolongbao. And this is the rice. There are 2 kinds of xiaolongbao that we ordered. The first is the crab roe pork and the other one is the truffle. Yung truffle is yun yung pinakamahal nila and we have to give it a try kahit mahal kasi nandito naman na tayo sa first Tai Fung in the world. Truffle.
And this one is for the truffle and pork xiaolongbao. You can enjoy this one without sauce.
Isa-isa lang daw nila sinaserve yung truffle para mas masarap daw, sabi nila. So kung gusto pa namin ng another one, kasi 5 in order namin, multiply lang daw namin yung waiter. So this is how you eat the xiaolongbao. Init pa siya. Meron siyang soup sa loob, so kailangan Prick mo muna siya para lumabas yung soup, or else mapapakasuka sa loob. Or you can use your teeth. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng ginger. Ay, yung soup niya. Lumabas. Ayan. Sarap. So after namin kumain sa Tai Fung, medyo na-feel namin yung pagod nung trail kanina. So ginawa namin is that nag-shopping na lang kami dito sa loob ng Taipei 101 Mall. Kasi may mga naka-sale din naman ng mga items. Tapos for those of you na shopping dito sa Taipei, dito sa Taipei 101, they give you 4% tax refund outright. So kami nakakuha kami ng at least mga magkano din dun sa pinag-shopping namin. Papunta na kami sa airport for our 8 PM flight. So babalikan na namin yung luggage sa locker, which is at the MRT station, sa Taipei 101 MRT station. Alright, so thanking or retrieving our luggage. Retrieve
17.
17.
Number 8.
8? Wala ko 17.
Extra fee, 60 pa.
16. Magkano ba nilagay mo? 50.
So 10.
10. 80, 60 lang.
Oh,
Yun, naganda na siya. Masok. Papunta na kami ng airport, kaso lang nagkaroon kami ng problema kasi nawawala pala yung aming bus ticket going to the airport. So, buti na lang maaga pa, and we're just going to top up our easy card para makapunta kami ng airport using MRT na lang. From here, going to Taoyuan International Airport, it's going to be 40 minutes with our ride using the MRT, Taoyuan MRT. So it's kind of more comfortable than riding a bus, but it's more expensive. The difference is that Taoyuan MRT airport is 150 while the bus is 120. So may difference na 30 NTD. Pero ang point is that kung saan mas malapit yung yung station kung saan kayo nakatira. For example, nung papuntang Taipei, nag-bus kami kasi yung Ambassador Hotel, which is one of the stops of the bus, is near to our accommodation, while yung Taipei main station is around 16-minute walk to our accommodation. We are now here at the airport, Terminal 1. So, kakatapos namin mag-check-in. Actually, ginawa lang namin is yung check-in sa kiosk, yung touchscreen. Kasi wala naman kaming any luggage to check-in. So, after namin makuha yung boarding pass dun sa kiosk, diretso na kami kaagad dito, malapit sa boarding area, para bumili ng mga pasalubong. So, if you guys want to buy some pasalubong from Taipei, meron sila dito sa airport before going to the boarding area, before sa immigration. So that ends our third day, and that also ends our trip here in Taipei. I really did enjoy my trip here in Taiwan in general, and I would say na definitely I will always come back here kasi there are more things to discover pa, not just in Taipei but in the whole Taiwan. Like may other cities pa na hindi tayo na-discover, like yung Kaohsiung City, and madami pang ibang tourist spots na kailangan natin balikan. So for me, a visit here in Taipei or in Taiwan is a must. lalo na if you're from the Philippines, kasi let's take advantage of the cheap fares that Clark and Naiya is offering going here in Taipei. Kasi parang in general, ang vibe niya for me is that yung experience ko is that it's like going to Japan, but the prices are cheaper, like the food, accommodation, also the transportation. So let's take advantage of it. Taiwan does not require you to apply for visa upon entry here in Taiwan. So let's take advantage of it, and we hope and pray na sana maging permanent na siya para mas madali nang pumunta dito sa Taiwan. Before, hesitant ako pumunta dito kasi pag malapit parang ayaw mong puntahan. Inisip ko parang dapat pala matagal ko na napuntahan to. Dapat pala matagal ko na siyang pinuntahan kasi sobrang worth it pala when you come here. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe by hitting the red button and also the bell icon for you to receive notifications. So that's all for now. I hope, guys, to see you again on my next trip. I think I'll be going somewhere in Asia ulit soon. So abangan niyo po yung video na yon, and that's all for now, and see ya. Bye!